guys, this is a 1952 Henry J Pro Street car. Picked up a few weeks ago. It's a super gas drag car in the 90s, and it was put back on the street. It's actually got cold AC in it. Put some carpet in it the other day, and I got it all cleaned up, ready to go. And it goes down the road real good. All the lights work on it, blinkers, everything, horn. It is a true street car, minus the wipers, which most don't have anyway. It's a pretty neat old car. I've got a folder full of receipts on it, everything that was done to it since the early 90s, and pictures of it before they started with it. It was just a regular old steel body car. It's got a fiberglass front clip, fiberglass doors, and fiberglass trunk lid on it. It's a square tube chassis, rack and pinion, 4-link, 9-inch Ford, 4-wheel disc brakes. It was previously certified 750 and a quarter. It wouldn't certify 750 now. It'd have to have some bars added to it. I'm sure it would certify 850. It was supposedly, like I said, an 890 index car, and it was tamed down a little bit and put back on the street. It's got full 3-inch exhaust, a Flowmasters under it. It's a 18-degree 355 small block Chevrolet, J&W Power Glide, Trans Brake, Pro Brake, and 4500 converter. It's a neat old car. Makes somebody a good cruise-in car, and put a set of slicks on it to make a decent drag car. I'll fire it up for y'all.